That big one.
This one right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. That's nice. That's gonna be.
I think this is enough.
Okay.
Oh, get the bigger one.
This one right here?
Uh-huh.
Or this one?
No, that's small. That one bit upper. Yeah.
All right, we'll get that one. It just comes right off.
Mm-hmm.
A few bugs in it, but we'll wash these up.
Here, there's more.
So the next step is you cut off the ends then.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to peel it with just like a regular peel and get all that skin off it. So we're putting the butter right into this pan here, and we're going to use this for cooking the actual apple slices then, correct?
Yes.
And then you got the butter melting, and we're going to put the apple slices in right now. What's the temperature that you're going to put that on?
I don't know. I just put it in medium high.
Medium high, okay. And we're going to mix these freshly cut up apple slices. And how long do you say we cook them for?
Oh, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes?
10 minutes, okay.
As long as, I don't know, I don't count them.
You just do it, you know, by the way it looks.
I'll show you how, when it's ready.
Okay, and then we're still browning. That'll be the bottom crust right there. So you're just pouring in the brown sugar. You just eyeball it in there, what you think seems appropriate. On top of the fresh apple slices with the butter. And we're at medium high right here. And we just mix that all around. It's already smelling good. Look at that.
I still want to add brown sugar.
Okay.
Okay. I covered it, and then
What next? So what's the next thing you put in there?
I will put some cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
Ground
Okay.
cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon, alright.
A tablespoon.
So we're putting a tablespoon of ground cinnamon in there. Nice.
Okay, that's a teaspoon.
Okay, teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Get that all mixed in good. So you're putting a little clove in there. Oops.
Yes, that's too much.
Okay. Little bit of clove right there. Great. So the next step is we're putting in the tapioca.
Yeah.
Now, what would the tapioca do?
It will thicken this runny
Okay.
juice.
So when you cut into the pie, instead of being just liquid, this gives it some texture, kind of like tablespoon of tapioca, and then you get that mixed in there real good. So that gives it's a thickener.
Yes. Okay, this is enough. I have to.
So you don't want it to be too soft. You still want it to have that crunchy.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good for like a little.
So we've been cooking this for about, what, 15 minutes maybe?
I don't know.
About 20.
Okay. Here.
But you don't basically, you don't want the apples being slices to be too soft.
Too small and too soft.
And mushy. So then we pour it into the bottom part of the pie.
Yeah.
Whoops, we got a runner.
And then this is the other part of
So we put a top part of a pie.
This is when you buy the dough, it has two dough like this that's already been pre.
So you put that right over top of that.
Yeah, so it's easier for me. I don't need to make a dough. This is how I do it.
Okay. And so the next part is we're going to get some egg, and we're going to do the egg wash on top.
Yeah.
Egg wash on top of it. That'll give it its kind of glazed color when it's cooked, I believe.
And then I will just cut this a little.
A little like cross section in there.
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
That'll give the pressure, so when you're cooking it, some room for it to come out.
Yes. And then, okay.
Okay, so we preheated to 350, and we're putting it in. And then, what should I set the timer on?
I just keep an eye on it.
Okay.
It's already cooked, and the bottom too, it's already cooked. So I'll keep an eye. When it gets into brown, the top, it should be.
Okay, so after beating that egg up, put a little bit of water in it, you've got this kind of glaze of the egg wash that you pour over the top of it. Is that right there good enough?
Yeah.
The more you put, the more coloration, I'm guessing, you'll have on it.
Wow.
Okay, this is it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. With 2 scoops of ice cream, fresh apple pie. You can still see the steam coming off it.